unveiling the fascinating world of the 50 meters rifle Olympic event. The 50 meters rifle event has deep roots in Olympic history, showcasing precision and skill since 1896. Competitors use specialized rifles, often weighing around 7.5 kilograms, designed for accuracy and stability. Athletes adopt 3 shooting positions: prone, standing, and kneeling, each requiring unique techniques. Scoring is based on the 10-ring system, with shots closer to the center earning higher points. Famous athletes like Matthew Emmons have set records, overcoming intense pressure during competitions. Join us for more fascinating Olympic insights. Dumbbell B.